Alright, welcome guys. So 42. Okay, 42. Of the following which represents the portion of the function. So the standard procedure is you first calculate the first derivative and the second derivative, and the first derivative will tell you the slope, and the second derivative will tell you the upward or downward. So y is exponential minus x to the power x, this one, and the derivative. So when y is 1, second derivative is, so when y prime is 1 minus 1 over e, and the y double prime 1 is 1 over e. So it tell you that the slope is smaller than 1, and the function is upward. So the first one, the slope is greater than 1, so a is not okay. For b, it's downward, not okay. C is downward. D is slightly upward, and the slope is smaller than 1, so D might be the choice. And E, so the slope for E is negative, which is not okay. So the answer should be D. The answer should be D. I think, let me see. Okay, 42. Because 42 is also simple, so I combine it with 41. Okay, so xz. Okay, so you have xz. So this is one vector as z, and another vector equals z equals to y, and x equals 0. So it's this term, this v2, and calculate the angle between them. Okay, so simple enough. When you want to calculate the angle between two vectors, the easiest method is you use the so-called linear product. So this vector has property that this vector is 1 1 0. Oh no, 1 0 1, because the x and z are the same, and there's no y component. For this one, there's no x component, so it's 0 1 1. So when we do the cosine, we are doing the inner product of vectors and calculate the magnitude. So basically it's 1 over square root of 2 squared, so it's 1 over 2. So the angle is pi over 3, 90 degrees. Cosine pi over 3 is 0.5. So the answer is D. And another way is you calculate the triangle. You can calculate the 3 distance of this triangle and see whether. Okay, so the second method is that this length is square root of 2, this length is square 2, and then you calculate the distance from here to here. Basically, this is 1 0 1, and this is 1 0 1 1. So this vector is minus 1 1 0. So basically, the length from here to here is square root of 2. So this is the equilateral triangle. So each angle is 60. So second method gives us the same answer. The angle between two vectors is 60 degree. So we choose D. That's it.